First time driving the M5.
What's going on, you guys? It's your boy Posted, and we're up north. A lot of you guys have been asking me where I've been on Instagram and on YouTube. It's been about a week or so since I've posted on either one of them. The answer is very short. I took a break. I know it may be illegal to some of you guys, but I got out of town, came up north, having some fun on the water with the jet skis and the boat and everything. Eric and Chanel came up for a few days. I had a good time with them. So really, we're just taking a break, taking a little detox from social media. So in the meantime of getting my parts in for the car and everything, we've been up here just trying to clear my mind and get everything back to normal. As for the car, the ARP bolts have come in. The box from ECS Tuning with my oil pan gasket and all the O-rings and everything, that has come in. The box that's actually closest to my house has not shipped out yet, and that would be my bearings. Went with the ACL race bearings. For those of you guys that don't know, the ACL race bearings are another competitor to the B&E bearings and the OEM bearings. Historically, ACL bearings are made to withstand a high revving and a high compression engine, so we're going to go with those and see how they work out. Most people go with the B&E bearings, but I'm going to go with these and see if there's any difference. From what my mechanic told me, there's really not much of a difference between the B&E bearings and these ACL bearings. Both of them are very good name bearings. So like I said, the bearings should be at the house at any moment. The place that's shipping them is only 20 minutes away from my house, so I'm a little confused on why they went to the USPS facility last week and they are not here yet. So it seems like I'm going to have to give somebody a ring and see where my bearings is at, because I need my car done ASAP. So I'll show you guys a little bit of what we've been up to. Before we get into that, I want to give a huge shout out to the YouTube channel 3 Wheels 1 Block. They sent me some fan mail last week, and I have to say, I think it's right up our alley here. Got a nice M flag, so we're going to bring that content to y'all. We're going to use that in some of the Beemer Fam sketches that we have laid out right now. But it's definitely a good addition to the family, I would say. 3 Wheels 1 Block, you're dope. Thank you for it. If y'all don't know them, go check them out right now, please. If you guys ever want to send me some fan mail, hit me up on Instagram in my DM. Instagram right here down below. Alright guys, enjoy the little montage of what we've been up to so far.
YouTube, what's happening? We out here on Burt Lake? Burt Lake. Michelle's pilot. Posted up, chilling in the water. There's Chanel over there holding it down. And we're gonna get James some epic shots of the wakeboard, so.
Yes sir, let's get it in.
Let's get it.
Out here on the boat, Michelle driving, Eric and Chanel out there on the jet ski. Beautiful day for shenanigans. Don't forget Tabby Dog over there. I'm over here using the camera, trying to shoot some good ones for them. You know what I mean? Anything? You got anything to say?
Beautiful day on Bird Lake.
Yeah, it is. Thank you guys for watching. I wanted to give you guys a little update just because I haven't shown my face in a while. I haven't talked to you beautiful people in a while. So I hope this is sufficient, at least until we get things back on schedule. I'll probably be up here for a few more days, but I'm thinking about going live a couple times before we get back into all the car content, because I do want to chat with you guys. Per usual, if you guys have any ideas for me or what you want to see or anything like that, please let me know in the comment section below. And if you haven't already, please drop a thumb on that mug and hit that red button for me. Thank you guys for watching. I love you all. Peace.